Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by opening Google Maps and centering the area you need. Right-click on desktop or long press on mobile to drop the first point. This kicks off measurement. Once done, select Measure Distance. That initial action locks the tool and shows a baseline. You do this so every subsequent point adds cumulative distance, and you can see why precise zooming matters. Closer zoom reduces placement error. Keep your cursor steady to place the first anchor accurately. Next, you add points along the route or perimeter. Click or tap each corner to extend measurement. Make sure to switch to satellite view when edges are unclear, because imagery helps align points with real features, and zoom in to reduce parallax error. Once you place points, drag any to refine path accuracy. You'll see the total distance update in real time. This iterative refinement matters because small shifts change totals, so take a moment to perfect point placement. To finish, verify the displayed distance and visually inspect the traced path, then save the location as a place or take a screenshot for records. For area measurement, you close the loop by returning to the start point, which yields perimeter and area where supported. If numbers seem off, resume and toggle layers. A mismatched map layer or imprecise points causes most errors. If problems persist, clear the measurement and repeat, placing points more deliberately to eliminate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.